So the problem here is thermal runaway is a critical safety issue in lithium ion batteries, where excessive heat triggers a chain reactions of chemical reactions, leading to fires, toxic gas, or explosion. The risk uh, this poses serious dangers to electric vehicles, electronics, and large-scale energy storage. A single field cell can spread to others, causing catastrophic damage, endangering lives, and harming public trust. The challenge here, despite the heavy improvements, the push for high energy density batteries is increasing both the likelihood and severity of these events. So solving this is vital for the safe adoption of clean energy. Engineering application of lithium-ion battery of thermal runaway. So understanding and mitigating thermal runaway is thermal runaway. Understanding and mitigating thermal runaway is a critical aspect of several engineering disciplines. So key application includes uh, battery designs and cell engineering, so materials using safer thermally stable materials, uh, LFP cathode instead of high nickel NMC and stable electrolysis. So we have the structure, designing a cell shape pouch prismatic cylindrical to improve heat dissipation and minimize short circuit risk. Safety features, integrating internal mechanism like shutdown separators, pressure relief vents, and current interrupt devices, CID. So number two, device thermal management systems or TMS, cooling systems implementing active and passive cooling, liquid air phase change materials in the electric vehicle and storage to prevent overheating. It's for the simulation using multi-physics software to model thermal behavior and predict prevent runaway conditions. Number three, battery management system monitoring uses real-time tracking of voltage, current, temperature, and gas production to prevent early detections. Protection employs algorithms to limit charge, discharge rates, and automatically isolate faulty cells to prevent escalation. Number four, electric vehicles and energy storage system. Pack engineering so incorporates structural safety at the back level, such as cell spacing, wire barriers, intermittent coatings, and venting channels to contain fires and slow propagations. Classification involves rigorous crash safety and abuses, testing mechanical, electrical, and thermal required for regulatory approval in both automotive and stationary application. And number five, failure analysis and safety engineering. Post-incident analysis investigates a failure using advanced diagnostic tools, calorimetry, X-ray, imaging, gas analysis to refine future designs. Preventive technology focuses on developing early warning sensors and advanced fire suppression systems, specifically for large-scale battery installations. And number six, standard regulatory compliance. Engineers contribute to developing international safety standards such as UL, IEC, SAE, and GB, which defines the required testing protocols and performance benchmark for lithium-ion batteries. Overall conclusion, by understanding how small runaway, runaway occurs, engineers can improve battery safety, reliability, and energy density. So this progress is crucial for accelerating the adoption of lithium-ion technology across transportation, renewable energy storage, and portable electronics.